Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today is 17th of December and time now is around 5:15. Now what happens when you take a contra trade, right? That is most of the people are bullish and you are taking a bearish, or most of the people are bearish and you are taking a bullish trade. What happens, right? The thing is, you end up making good money when you are in profit, when you are right, and you end up losing money when you are wrong, right? But when you make profit, you will make good profit. But when you are wrong, you have to know that you have to know how to manage your position, or you need to know how to control your risk reward, right? Now, why am I saying this is because that is what has happened for the last 2 or 3, maybe 1 week. Every analyst in the market was expecting that there is going to be a bull run. Market is going to touch 25,000, and even influencers, so-called influencers, were saying they are bullish in the market. They were saying this month is lackluster month, but our brothers were waiting for us at 24,800 to short the market, and that they have added huge short to the market. And you know what happened? We are sitting somewhere around today, if you calculate, we are sitting somewhere around 24,300. I was thinking 24,500 was a good kind of good support, but that was also taken out. So it was a good downside downward movement at around 350 points. So this is what we were talking about yesterday. We were saying when India Wix, in fact I have made a quadrant for India Wix. I'll explain what that quadrant is so that you will understand when market is rising and India Wix is rising at the same time, what does that mean? Or when the market is falling, India Wix is also falling or rising, what does that mean? I have made a quadrant. I will explain that in a few moments. But as of now, what we believe or what we think is, or what we are going to see in this video is that the main question here is whether we are going to touch 24,000 or 24,800, that is in terms of Nifty, or is it going to be 54,500 or 52,000 in regards to Banknifty? What are all the key event that could trigger the market? If of course there is a event coming up day after tomorrow, should we be go long or short? Key support levels, key support and resistance in this video, so that you can understand what is happening. So as I told you, we were short in the market, we were shorting the market, and of course I'll be sitting in good profit right now. If you are following us in our forum, that is our Telegram group, we posted. So this is a chart, and you can see the chart. What we have mentioned today is that possible support is at around 24,500. If 24,500 is not sustained, next target is around 24,200, and we are just 150 points away from 24,500. So you'll have to remember this. And 24,800 was a really good resistance. And people ask me in our Telegram group, where is the correct market, or when is the correct time to short the market? I told, if the market goes to 24,800, you should be shorting the market, and that is what you are seeing here. Let me draw a line for you so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. Now, if you see here 24,800, right? Exactly at 24,000, this is 24,800. Market came all the way down till we are sitting around 24,300. So this is probably what you should have done. Now, the question is, if you ask me, can we do it now? Can we short the market now? The answer is maybe no. You should not be shorting the market by now, because if you ask me why, because there are huge long positions which have been added. We'll talk that in a bit, but now it is not that time to short the market, right? Unless we don't know, we are going into a binary event, which is US Federal Reserve, which is going to be out a day after tomorrow. Until that, you will have to wait and see what is going to happen, whether they are going to come in a positive note, or whether they are going to come in a negative note. That we really don't know. We will have to wait and see. until then you can wait. But as of now, if you ask me, if this 24,000 level, 24,200 or 24,000, let's say 24,200 to 24,000 is taken out, we may see further downside. But I strongly believe that 24,000 will sustain. It is not going to be taken out. Even 24, why we have to go to 24,000? Even 24,200 will not be taken out, is what I believe. So this is a 5 minutes chart. I'll give you a perspective in a 1 hour chart so that you can understand. So you can see here clearly. Let me hide this drawings so that you can see clearly what is happening. So this is a huge block order. So 24,000 they have written here, 25,000 they have written here. Now we are exactly at this level, 24,300, where they have added huge significant orders. So maybe there should be a bounce and there should be a sideways move for 2 or 3 days, or let's say at least till 19th of December, which is a Nifty expiry, Nifty expiry, right? So until then you will have to wait. And in terms of Banknifty, if you see, before that, let me show my article which was published today morning, and we have written everything, key observation, what has to be done, what should not be done, everything is written here. We have a good forum. If you want, you can join the forum. Link is on the description below. And this is the hourly chart. Maybe we might have to come till around 52,000. So that is what I expect in terms of Banknifty. There is lots of around 51,000. There are lots of orders written, block orders written by institutions. So maybe 52,000 will be coming soon. I think maybe this week, maybe we will trade between 52,000 to around 52,000, 53,500. That is in terms of Banknifty, right? Now, if you ask me what to say, if you ask me why, the main problem here is India VIX is rising, right? So if you have seen India VIX, let me show you this quadrant so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. So this quadrant, if you can see here, there are four quadrants. That is, when the market is rising or when the market is falling, India VIX has to be stable, right? Let's assume market is falling, at the same time India VIX is also rising, and India VIX is rising means it signifies that there is a high fear among market participants and they are having cautious optimism, right? At the same time, India VIX is falling, market is falling or rising, doesn't matter. It means that they have a strange calm or calm confidence, right? So when the market is falling, let's say even in today's scenario, let us say if the market is falling and India VIX is also falling, means it doesn't matter. We know that the market may go on the higher side or market may reverse. Now we have seen this scenario before also. Now let us assume market is falling, on the opposite side market is falling, India VIX is also raising, means there is some problem in the market, which is exactly happening now. And of course, as I told you, there is a binary event. We will have to wait till this binary event is done, then we will know what is the real scenario. Till this binary event is done, maybe after this binary event is done, which is Federal Reserve event, we may see India VIX crashing or coming on the downside. You have to remember this. So don't worry, don't think that the market is going to crash or market is going to touch 23,000 or 22,000. That is not going to happen. You have to remember this, right? I think I have summarized everything. Just do some short straddles. Even today, I think straddles are trading at a premium of around 250 or 300 rupees, just 2 or 3 days. That's because we are going into a binary event. Once that binary event is done, maybe probably you will make good money, is what we believe, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.